If none of these images look familiar to you, you should probably watch part 1 first. For those of you that watched it, thanks for coming back.
1, 2, 3, 4!
Alright, let's pick up right where we left off.
Are you stuck? I have a winch, I can pull you out.
As you can imagine, I'm very excited to use my winch here, so let's see what happens. You can see that his rear end slid down into this natural drainage ditch, so we'll try to pull him out.
Wait!
Well, unfortunately, as much as I wanted to use my winch, it really wasn't the safest option here. I couldn't get high enough on the hill to give a proper angle, and there was nothing on the side of the hill to snatch off of. So we went for the tried and true recovery tracks. But don't worry, I'll be using the winch soon. The Jeep Wrangler decided that they were better off turning back around and going down the mountain. But before we parted ways, I decided to give him my number just in case he got stuck again, especially because he was going off by himself. Well, let's keep moving.
Are they stuck in the same place? Guess we gotta go back and help him. Alright, well, since you helped him the first, let me get him with the winch this time, alright? No, I'm just kidding. No, we'll do whatever's safer. We'll do whatever's safer. Yeah.
Zombie to the rescue! Okay, I think you can winch. Is it the same spot?
Yeah, I think we may be able to pull you out. Oh, careful. Oh, look, they turned off their light.
Sorry.
Take the camera up, we don't.
Now, as you can see here, the winch operation isn't going as smoothly as it should be going, and that's because the driver in the Jeep isn't gassing it in reverse and helping me as I pull him out.
Can you go in reverse? Are you on the brakes?
Now, I can easily blame him, but honestly, I blame myself.
Go in reverse!
As the winch operator, I should have made sure that we were both on the same page before I ever even started any winching.
Hit the gas!
Straighten your wheel. To the right. There you go.
Tell him to gas it.
Gas it a little bit.
He's stalling, that's why.
There you go.
So now I know for the future to speak with the driver before I start doing anything to make sure that we're both on the same page.
Turn to the right. Turn to the right.
Yeah! Woo!
gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is he doing this on purpose?
I was trying to move out of their way, trying to go on the far right, but my ass didn't want to go where I pointed my nose. Yeah, they're two-wheel drive, so they gotta turn around.
But with that truck still? It looks so like...
He can't even turn around because he's two-wheel drive. Like, he's backing up the whole way now.
After all those unexpected events, it started getting pretty late. But I wasn't satisfied because I didn't get stuck and I didn't find a tree to winch off of. So we decided to come back during the daytime, where I did get stuck, and I did find a tree to winch out of.
Pardon our interruption. It's time for another episode of Who Are It Better? For this episode, it's all about pickup trucks, pickup trucks, pickup trucks. I know all you old school guys are like, car design used to be so good. It was getting better and better and better. Now it's just leveling off, and it sucks. It's all going downhill from here. Well, check this out. It seems like every pickup truck nowadays has the same design on the tailgate. What's up with that? If you pause the video, can you guess which tailgate goes to which truck? Well, let's find out. The Toyota Tundra, the Toyota Tacoma, the Nissan Titan, and the Ford Fiso. The winner is all of them. They all get a participation trophy, and I'm sure that pisses you off. Woo!
It looks like a lot of the snow has melted since the last time we were here. But I knew that being on the north side of the mountain, that if we pushed up the trail more that we would eventually find some snow.
What kind of car is that?
Discovery. This is looking better. Untouched, fresh snow.
Is it closed?
Yeah.
So we just turn around?
Yeah. Looks like this is a good place to get stuck. I decided to back down this embankment to get myself stuck, but I was a little bit worried of getting too stuck.
Just go further back.
Well, I'm afraid to get too stuck.
Well, there you go.
I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous that if my winch didn't pull me out of this, I would be pretty screwed.
You guys okay?
Yeah. Well,
Hopefully.
see, you gotta stand way over there out of the danger zone. Okay?
The winch pulled the 4Runner with
You
ease.
did it.
I have to say, I'm pretty happy.
Yeah. Do it again.
Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.
The winch comes with this nice battery cutoff, so when you're done with it, you can shut it off. And there you have it. And don't forget that when you do pull your winch line out like that, you got to re-spool it under tension. And I'll probably do that another day because I don't really want to do it right now. Because when you spool your winch line in and there's no tension, it bunches up inside and it doesn't spool cleanly. See that? It's not very clean. You don't want your winch line like this when you have to use it again. So when I get back, I'll have to re-spool that line. Overall, I'm pretty happy. And yes, I'm pretty happy because I was also a little scared that I couldn't get out. Was that fun, buddy?
Yeah.
Was it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It was